Hello viewers, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Chart Intimacy, where we analyze the markets. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button below and also the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Today we are going to be looking at volatility 25 index. Many a times people do say market is manipulated, but I want us to understand that the market is properly planned. And for you to actually trade the market, you must be able to unlock the mysteries behind it. So let's look into our chart. Now, this is V25 index. Now, let's see what has been happening. If you look at it very well, it has been violating the highs, so it's an uptrend. All right. I just want to show us a little proof that the market is not often manipulated. The market is actually planned. So let's look at this. If you check here very well, there was a BUS, there was a break of structure to the upside. There was a BUS, BUS to the upside. Okay. Now I just want to explain to you now, this is the present market. We'll be wondering, how far after this, how come this market moved this very far distance? I want to describe you the reason. Now there was a BUS here, and the market came down. Maybe to use the order block around here. Yes, there's an order block. Some call it a demand zone. All right. But that's not our emphasis for today. So let me clean it off. Now, if you check this market very well, there's a low here, and there is another low here. So invariably, we are having like a double bottom. Yes, we are having like a double bottom. So let me draw. Okay, there's a double bottom here. Now, so there is a double bottom or possible double bottom. Let me just, okay. Let me assume the market hasn't formed. So double bottom. Now, there's a way we usually know if a market, if a double bottom or a double top is valid or not. Now, if you check very well, this first leg or this double bottom, that's a result of an uptrend. Now, so this is the second leg. Now, whenever we have a possible double bottom like this, what we do, you use our ruler. Where is the neckline? So let us indicate the neckline. So between this first bottom and the other bottom, there is a neck. So this is the neck. This is the neck. This is the neckline. Okay. So neckline. Neckline. So this is the neckline. So what we'll do next is this. We'll take out our ruler. Then we'll draw to half. We'll take out our ruler. Then we'll draw from the neckline. Then we are going to draw it to the double bottom. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. So let's take it again. So this is our ruler. So let's take it to our neckline. Let's take that bottom. Alright, so this is it. Now, please just follow me. So this place is our okay, so now here is our is the half of our double bottom rectangle. So this is the half of it. Now with this half, now when this market got to this point, the fact that the market broke above the half of our double bottom, this rectangle, the fact that it broke up is a sign, a proof that the market is will still go further up. Now, for those that might be asking some questions that, okay, how do we know that when this market came to this double to form this double bottom that we are supposed to enter this market to buy, or what's the confirmation? Now, in a couple of my videos after now, I'll be doing on one candle support and one candle resistance. You get to know better. But for this video, let me just explain briefly. Now, there's what we call one candle support and one candle resistance. And for one candle resistance, it is formed by the current green candle before the red candle, in this case, black candle. So let me show you. So this is it. In this case, this is our green candle. This is our black candle. So this is our current, as at that time, this is our current um, resistance. Current resistance. Let me write it here. Current resistance. So these are current resistance. Now, so once the market broke our current resistance, so it is a confirmation that we can enter the market. But don't forget, market doesn't move straight. They come to retest. And now if you see, look at this very well, the market came up and it came to retest our broken resistance. In this case, this broken resistance is acting as a support. All right, so the market went. So the fact that the market broke above our half, it is a proof or a confirmation that the market will definitely get to our neckline. Now, this is our neckline. So to recapture what I've said, now there was a double bottom that was formed. Now the double bottom was formed. So what we'll do at first, we take our ruler, then we'll need to know our neckline, then we'll draw a rectangular box. Then after drawing the rectangular box, we need to know the half of the rectangle. Now this is the half of the rectangle. Now if our candle gets broke above half of our rectangle, it is a proof or a sign that the market will definitely get to our neckline. Okay, now, so the fact that the market finally got to our neckline, watch on. The market finally got to our neckline. Now, it did break our neckline above. So there was a break of structure there. So there was a BOS. Now, because it broke our neckline above, broke our neckline. Now, watch this. Now, another proof again that the markets had no choice than to sell up after breaking our half above. Now, after breaking our half above, now let's look at our current resistance. Now, this was our current resistance. I told you, I said a green before a red. Now, this was the green before the red. But in this case, the market didn't break this, or the market didn't close above it. So our next current resistance and support was this, a green before a red. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. All right, so let me clone this. So this is our current. Why is it not moving? Okay, so this is our current resistance. Now check, the market came, like I told you, the market doesn't move in a straight line. So what it does, the market came and retested our current resistance, which now turned our support. Now it moved up, up, up. Now for swing traders, basically, not for scalpers. Now, I want to actually know to what extent this market is going to go. Now, the reason we knew that this market would get to the neckline was because it broke above the half of this rectangle. Now, assuming the market did not break above the neckline, will not be assuming our market didn't break above the neckline, we'll not be expecting the market to go further up. But in this case, the market broke above the neckline. Now, what I'm going to do? Now, it means that this whole distance, that's from here to double bottom, because our market went above the neckline. So this market is going to go this same distance above. Now, let me show you. Now, let me clone this. So what I will do next, I'll pick this, then, okay, what's happening? Okay, let me pick this. Okay, so this. So I'm going to put it like both like this. Then let's watch out. Let's watch out. Can you see? So the market actually went the entire distance. Yes, as this. So you could see that with this, market is actually planned. Market is not, a kind of manipulation thing. So the market moved in, and guess what? After getting to that exact distance, the market reacted there. There was a rejection there, and the market started falling down. Now we'll be wondering what will be our next take. Well, looking at this, there's a one candle support here. That's a black candle before a red. Now, if you want me to do a video on one candle resistance and support, please you can kindly comment on the box below. All right, so this is one candle support. So with this, we could see that the market is not actually planned. Sorry, market is not actually manipulated. Market is actually planned. All right, let me give us another example. Let me open that's V75. Okay, V75. Oh, no, this is V75. 75. Now let's open our chart. Let's check our recent break of structure. Market broke up. Yeah, so there was a BUS here. There was a BUS. So we knew that the market broke structure to the upside. Now check again. If you really look after this point, the market actually ranged for a while. Yeah, the market ranged from here. It was a ranging market. Yeah, the market actually ranged. Now, I think the market ranged from August 13 to November. Yeah, early November. There was a ranging market. Now, check very well. Now, the market actually broke up around this point. Now, the market went up. Now, the fact that the market actually broke out from this channel, we call this channel break. Now, the market is going to go that same distance up. So let me clone this. clone this. So let's take it up. Okay, this is it. This is it, guys. So we could see the market went that entire distance upwards. So market is not exactly manipulated like some of us actually feels. It is actually planned, but it takes diligence and mastery to actually unlock the mystery behind the plans of the market. All right. I still remain chat intimacy. Please, if you want to trade with my broker, Derif, please, you can click on the link below. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscription bell and the notification bell. Thank you.